Well, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video. It's the shopping bag. What's this item right? Here's a little cute box. It's a pull-out box, so I will need to take off the ribbon to show it to you. Comes out like this. Oops. Here's the box. Just a little dust bag. This is my item. This is very useful. I have this in the monogram, so I decided to get this Azur pattern. It holds a lot of card. You can put business card, a credit card. I put about maybe 10 or 12 credit card, gift cards in here, and it fits perfect. Sorry, that's my dishwasher. It's being done. This one says Louis Vuitton in here. And here's the textile tag. And I bought it from a boutique, so it also comes with this tag as well. And you can put a key here, or you can hook it up to the D-ring in your purse. There it is. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.